Focus lang, focus. Ano, i-focus mo, focus.
Fight in the middle of the ring. Okay? Taas na rin siya. Grab ka sa lubid. Umalis ka. At the end of that round, round number 5, Oscar De La Hoya's knees buckled.
Aburido. Aburido to, aburido.
Pero nakita natin doon, very tricky situation for Manny Pacquiao. Nandun siya sa may batang lubid at doon na naka-apuntos si Oscar De La Hoya. He was reminded by Freddie Roach, stay away from the ropes. Take the fight in the middle of the ring. At si Nacho Steinerman was saying, you have to pursue your combinations, but hit the shot to the body. And they want to slow
Tol, may pambayad na tayo sa van.
to the midsection.
Burger, ililibre ko si Toto pag nanalo. Lilibre ko yan, nagpa-print ako.
Nababasa niya eh. Yung ilusunod si Oscar De La Hoya. And the other way around, hindi mo lang pwede sabihin for Oscar De La Hoya.
Ang nakakataka dito, partner, alam natin na hindi titigil si Manny. This is gonna be his pace all night long.
I think the last 20 rounds siya hindi titigil yan.
That's true. Oscar De La Hoya has to find something new to introduce in this fight to turn the tide. It's round number 5 and a half.
Puta, laking pera ni Pacquiao, Tol. Oh, uy, muntik na.
Same here. It's been a clean sweep so far. One two combination just hitting ito si Oscar De La Hoya. At toe-to-toe, at tapang nito si Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, PJ! Oh, grabe! PJ, Tol. Eh, wala lang.
Buran mo! Buran mo sa mata!
Bobo!
Yes. He's dominating this fight. It's also possible that Oscar De La Hoya is baiting him, making him think that kaya-kaya. De La Hoya has not won a round dito po sa ating round number 6.
Putang ina mo, gago ka.
Beautiful shot. That was to the head. At
The left eye is already closing. I'm talking about De La Hoya.
nawala na yung kapugian ni Oscar.
Ah, pogi na si Pacquiao. Yucks.
Under the right eye also, and the bridge of his nose is bleeding. Early in this fight, this is gonna be how Oscar De La Hoya will look.
Di kasi nagsasalita si De La Hoya, no? Tapos kinakausap niya, no? English, puta. Absolutely, sabi niya, definitely.
De La Hoya. Nakita mo, yung galaw.
Wala, hindi makaporma si De La Hoya, Tol.
Oscar De La Hoya. Mabagal ang reaction, no?
Parang,
A step slow.
yung bang ilalaban nyo?
Navigation disappeared, and you can tell because that
Putang ina, history na naman, Tol.
Mayweather, kalaban niya.
Mayweather! Woo! Kapangarap ka. Mamamatay na siya noon.
Tinatawag na.
Oo. Ah, paski mo na, Jack.